uLisetlang ungomunye walamaciko asemancane anqatshelwa izimvumo zokungena eMelika ukuyobonisa ngamakhonawo. Bekumele angenele umncintiswano wokumodela, ukucula nokulingisa, kodwa manje lawo maphupha ashabalele.
I'm devastated, I'm shattered, I'm heartbroken because ever since I went for the interview on the 27th of June, I haven't been sleeping well. My appetite has changed, I've lost weight, and I can't even focus at school.
Abazali bathi bayilandelile imigudu efanele kodwa banikeza izizathu ezingathi issues ukuthi kungani izingane zabo zenqatshelwa ukungena eMelika.
Our kids are not going there for fun. They're going to actually to represent the country. And most of us as parents, we've actually paid for the trip.
From the day that she denied visa, she can't sleep. I can't sleep too. I feel exhausted. I'm disappointed. I don't know what to do.
We are devastated because it is the first time in 25 years that our kids has been denied their visas.
Ihhovisi lenxusa laseMelika lithi lilandela inqubo ekunikezweni kwama-visa.
I want to make one broad point about an important criteria related to many visa applications. So when a South African or an Indian or a person from China or even from the UK or France are seeking a visa or seeking to enter the United States, there is a presumption of immigrant intent.
Amanye lamaciko awatholile amavisa azolifulathela leli ngomsombuluko.